How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you step by step on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. After you open up your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy, this one. Tap on this settings again. After you tap on these settings, all you have to do now, tap on this personal details, this one. After you select the personal details, as you can see now, here is my Facebook account. Tap on it. So as you can see now, here is the Facebook account that I want to delete now. I already connected my Facebook account with my Instagram. So if I delete the Facebook account now, it will be disconnected. So now tap on this back arrow. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this personal details again. So tap on this account ownership and control. Select this deactivation or deletion. So choose the Facebook account that you want to delete. So scroll to down and tap on this delete account. Choose the delete. As you can see here, it says delete account. So tap on this continue. So now as you can see now, I have my Facebook account. I have my Facebook page under my Facebook account. So if I delete this Facebook account, it will delete my Facebook page as well. So if you agree with this condition, just tap on this continue button. So choose one option among this option. So I'll just go and choose the last one. So tap on this continue. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this continue again. Now it will ask you to type in your password before you continue. So I'll just go ahead and paste in my password. So tap on this continue again. So as you can see now if I tap on this delete account, now Facebook will delete my Facebook account for 30 days. So now it will delete my Facebook account, but it will not delete the Facebook account immediately. It will deactivate everything about the Facebook account. So it will take like 30 days now before the account will be deleted permanently. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.